They say the first humans on Mars will face dangers we rarely see. You can almost feel the weight of that silence as their footsteps touch dust older than Earth myths. At first, the biggest threat seems simple. Cold winds, thin air, red storms drifting across endless plains, but that isn't the strange part. The deeper danger moves unseen. It slips through metal. It cuts through plastic. It hums through flesh. Cosmic rays. Particles born from ancient explosions far across the galaxy. Some strike with more force than bullets. You can almost hear the quiet static of radiation brushing against a helmet. And that is where the story opens. Microdoubt begins with one question. How long can a human body endure what never stops falling from the sky? Curiosity grows when you learn that astronauts on the ISS already absorb higher radiation doses. Mini reveal hits when researchers say Mars offers almost no shielding. Shock follows. The atmosphere is thin. The magnetic field is nearly gone. Awe rises as you realize every sunrise on Mars arrives with invisible fire. Then something impossible appears in the data. Shelters must be buried under soil thicker than a house. Some theories suggest the first crews may live beneath lava tubes. You can see those massive caverns stretching into blackness. A world beneath a world. But that isn't the real twist. False Summit arrives when early models show soil shielding could work. It feels solved. Then it collapses. The soil holds toxic compounds. The construction equipment may not survive the stress. And long-term exposure still damages the brain. Here's where the story breaks open. A deeper layer emerges when you hear about experimental materials, hydrogen-rich plastics, water-lined walls, even fungi that might absorb radiation. You can almost feel the odd comfort of a shelter built from living organisms. But no single idea solves every risk. Some believe underground habitats might still allow dangerous doses to leak through gaps. One theory suggests the colonists may rotate between protected zones to manage exposure. Another wonders if the first generation might accept shortened lifespans. A philosophical echo lingers. Sometimes the truth survives only in the shadows. And on Mars, those shadows may be the only safe place. Reflection settles in. If this danger existed 2 blocks from your home, would you still walk outside at night? The first Martian settlers may ask themselves a similar question every morning. How much risk do they accept for a new world? Soft resolution teases a possibility. Maybe the solution lies in a hybrid system, soil above, water inside, materials we have not yet tested. Researchers revisited this in 2025 as mission plans tightened, yet the mystery remains. Final curiosity rises. What happens when the first crew learns the radiation numbers don't match the simulations? Do they retreat underground forever, or push the frontier deeper? If this puzzle pulls you in, there are more stories waiting. What other dangers hide in the dark corners of distant worlds? Stay curious, watch the next one, and subscribe for the journey.